Imphal International Airport Independent Approach Control ATS Unit ama ngasi airport asigi Director Chipemni Keishing na hangdokkhre. Hairiba Independent Approach Control ATS Unit asi awang nokpok lamdam gi oina ahum suba oiri hairi. Airport asigi yamna maroiba sarukam oiriba Imphal Tower gi thabak yengsinanaba hairiba ATS Unit asi airport ki ATC building da laiba ATC Tower da ngasidagi mathau tawba hawankhre. ATS Unit ama hangdokpagi thoramatuda Imphal International Airport ki Joint General Manager amadi ATS ke in charge oiriba Subatra Haldar na fongdokibada airport asigi yamna maruiriba Imphal Tower asi hana single channel oirambani tower asina Imphal Airport ki mile kungamanga amadi fit lising kun control tawduna lakpani airport asida nongmada thariba flight asi nipugi mathakta oirakpadagi tower amana control tawba warakpa yauri Awaba Sikong Airport Authority of India ki Central Headquarter da Tower asi ani thokna khaidoktuna mathau tawna ba haijerubada ayaba pirakibani approach amadi aerodrome control haina ani khaidoktuna control tawba hauragan haike.
Today is a historical moment in the aviation history of Imphal that we could establish a separate unit which is called Independent Tower Control Unit or Aerodrome Control Unit and Independent Approach Control Unit. So far, we have been providing this service through combined channel. Combined channel has one deficiency that when traffic increases, then frequency congestion starts. That means more number of aircraft comes in the frequency, they have get little space for talking. So this reduces the safety of the aircraft. So considering this fact, we have decided that we should divide these two channels because the number of aircraft movement have increased like anything at Imphal. Earlier it was hardly 20 to 25. Now it is touching 40 per day.